Hi friends, Simit here from InformedTrades.com. In this video, I want to do a recap of the silver charts, share my take on it and how sort of I'm viewing it. Right now on the screen, you see a monthly chart of silver as well as two trend lines. You see one that's a bit steeper here. It's been touched one, two, three, four times about, and then another tentative trend line here that's been touched twice. That well, right now on the current candle, it's about the $24 mark, $23 mark, and the steeper trend line is at the $34 mark. This is on the monthly. Just something we can use to get an idea of the broad trends in place. Going over to the weekly chart, we see that other trend line still here. This time looks like it's about $36 range or so, around 36. So we also still see some bullish trend lines intact. Okay, on the daily now it starts to get interesting. We can see that there's two trend lines really. There's one going back to the high reached in April, just above 49 or just under 50, as well as the trend line that started in July from the low 30s. So they're converging. This suggests we may get a breakout soon. This is on the daily time frame. So breakout traders, this is sort of an opportunity, long or short, depending on what your bias is. My bias is long based on the trend lines on the weekly and the monthly chart. On the 4-hour chart, we can start to put some key horizontal support and resistance levels. Basically, we're in this range right now between 39.75 and 40.35. So it's about a 50-cent range right here that we've been in over the last couple days. So this is an opportunity to trade the range, or if you want to use these levels to trade a breakout. There is no real resistance. We had that big collapse on August 4th. So there's no real resistance, which could pave the way for a quick move back up on a breakout to the upside. And that's about it. That's my take on the silver charts. I do favor going with the long-term trends that we see on the monthly and the weekly. So my bias is bullish. On the 4-hour though, or on the daily, we definitely see that trend lines are converging. So this could be set up a bearish opportunity as well, or any type of breakout opportunity. And on the 4-hour, right now we see the range that we're in between 39.75 and 40.35. Traders could look to trade a breakout at those levels as well, or play the range so long as we're in it. That's about it. If you have any questions, want to share your thoughts, join us over at InformedTrades.com. Thanks and best of luck in your trading.